What is going on, everybody? Welcome back. MTG here with another episode. If you're new to the channel, hi there. Today I want to talk about my first impressions of the Google Pixel 4a. But before I do begin, I just want to thank each and every one of you for watching my videos and supermanning that subscribe button. But most importantly, supporting me and the channel. I was able to get this Pixel 4a and many other products like the iPhone SE found on the channel all because of each and every one of you. This would not have been possible without you guys, so I sincerely thank each and every one of you. I really enjoy making videos for the channel and taking a look at the latest products on the market. Anyway, without further delay, let's dive right in. Design. I actually like this design. It's a unibody plastic build, which obviously isn't the most premium build, but it's nothing too crazy, and honestly, I really dig it. There aren't any wow factors to the design, and the back looks very similar to the Pixel 4 in terms of the camera cutout. There is a physical fingerprint reader, which is something I really appreciate. This is the only model of the Pixel 4a, so it's really a one-size-fits-all kind of thing. On the top, we have a headphone jack, so yay, thank you Google. I myself might not use a headphone jack anymore, but there are some cases where I actually am in need of one, so it's just good to have that there. On the right side are the power and volume buttons, and just like in Google fashion, the power button is painted in a teal blue kind of color. On the bottom of the phone, we have our USB-C charging port and a downward firing speaker. The Pixel 4 actually has dual speakers, with the second one being embedded in the earpiece on the front of the device. The front of the display is the story here, because this is the first time that Google is going towards a more modern approach. The Pixel 4a has a 5.8-inch 60Hz AMOLED display with a hole punch camera cutout. The phone is not too big or not too small. For $350, an AMOLED 60Hz display is pretty good. Really, this display is very good. I'm a big fan of this design of the Pixel 4a. By the way, if you're enjoying the video so far, I'd really appreciate it if you can give this video a thumbs up and turn on the bell notifications, as it does help out the YouTube algorithm and pushes my content to more people. Software. It's Android. Android 10 to be exact, but we will be getting Android 11 very soon. I mean, this is a Pixel, so it's going to be available from day one, which is a huge plus. Now, the Pixel 4a is guaranteed to get 3 years of software updates. That means we'll be getting Android 11, Android 12, and Android 13. What I did notice though is that this phone is buttery smooth. Now, that's probably because I just got the phone, but I haven't seen any lag or any issue whatsoever. The Snapdragon 730G chipset paired with the efficiency of Android 10 really works well. Plus, the chipset consumes less, which means better battery life. Now, it isn't as smooth as phones equipped with the Snapdragon 865 or 865 Plus, but for the average consumer, you shouldn't have any issue. This is pure Android. It's how Google intended Android to be, and it's really refined if you ask me. There are no extra skins, no bloatware, nothing out of the ordinary. Camera. So based on first impressions, I am really enjoying this camera, really enjoying it. This is a Pixel camera in the end, which means it will not disappoint. The camera module is from the Pixel 4, Pixel 3a, and Pixel 3. I mean, it's the same camera module from them. But the software implementation and what we call computational photography is what makes it so beautiful. Now, I am bummed out about not having an ultra-wide, only because I've gotten used to it on many other phones. But for this package, I really can't complain. Then again, the Pixel 4 didn't have an ultra-wide either, and those phones that do have an ultra-wide don't perform nearly as good as the main sensor on the Pixel 4a. Pixel devices, including the 4a, are known for superior stills. The photos they generate, including night sight, are superb. Video is a bit iffy. It's alright, but not as great as something like an iPhone. Google hasn't really been the greatest with video, so if you are looking for a phone to prioritize on recording video and let's say uploading it to YouTube and being a content creator, iPhone is the way to go. I'll still test the video and see how it performs, but overall, I am really enjoying this camera. Price: $349, 128 gigs, one configuration. Good job, Google. Seriously, the pricing is just on point. Like I said, there's only one size and configuration for the Pixel 4a, but I'm sure that many people will be happy about this. I will definitely go in depth about the pricing of the Pixel 4a in my full review, but I can tell you that for $349, this is the perfect Pixel that Google has released, in my opinion. Gotta put it out there. In my opinion, this is the perfect Pixel that Google has released. For reference, the Pixel 3a from 2019 was a stellar phone and was priced at $399, so $50 more than the Pixel 4a, and the 4a is better too. It only had 64 gigs of storage for the Pixel 3a. Google really did play well on price. Anyway, I'll leave the rest for the full review. So overall, with my first impressions, I think that Google has nailed it with the Pixel 4a. A lot of people have been waiting for the 4a since it was leaked like crazy, but it was also delayed a lot as well. Not only that, but we're seeing competitors price their devices at very close prices with similar specs. The average consumer isn't really looking for all of the latest and greatest features found on something like the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, but a phone that will easily tackle the essentials. Google may have delayed this device by a couple of months due to the global pandemic, what we're going through right now, but I am sure that the Pixel 4a will thrive and sell very well as it competes against similar devices in the mid-range segment like the iPhone SE and the OnePlus Nord, which unfortunately is not available in North America. So if you're watching from North America, then forget about the OnePlus Nord. The main competitor to the Pixel 4a is the iPhone SE. Then you got some other Samsung devices like the Galaxy A51. And that pretty much wraps up this video. I will definitely be spending more time with the Pixel 4a and really give a run for its money. I'm going to be posting a lot more content on this phone, so be sure to stay tuned to the channel. Let me just tell you, I have at least 5 videos in the works based on the Pixel 4a. Comparisons, reviews, whatever it is. And you're going to ask, why so many videos? Well, because this is a stellar device and I really want to dive into the phone and tell you everything you need to know about the Pixel 4a. Anyway, what are your thoughts on the Pixel 4a? And are you planning on picking one up?
Anyway, everybody, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, be sure to Superman that like button, comment down below, because with the more interactions we get on this video, not only helps the video and the channel, but also pushes the video out to more viewers. And best of all, Superman that subscribe button. Until next time, everybody, and until next video, this is MTG.